Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Adinda Ningrum, student number 237023 from class 2023B. In this opportunity, I will present a research study. The title is Using Photo Voice to Explore the Stress of Pre-Service Teachers in Online Learning. This study discusses how online learning, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, caused significant academic stress for pre-service teachers. The purpose of this study is to explore the researchers' aim to find out how students express their stress using photo voice method in online learning, which combines photography and storytelling. There are 6 structures in poster: introduction, method, result, discussion, conclusion, and reference. The introduction of this study explains that pre-service teachers, or PSTS, face significant academic stress, especially during online learning in the pandemic. The researchers use a participatory method called photo voice, where students express their feelings through photo and written reflections. This study aimed to explore how PSTS experience academic stress in an online academic reading class, a topic that has not been widely studied in Indonesia. The isolation of learning from home also affected their emotional well-being, creating feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and exhaustion. Photo Voice, a participatory research tool, has been used in educational contexts to gain deeper insight into academic stress. According to Sang and Lian 2020, employed photo voice to identify causes of academic stress, such as exam pressures. Students felt anxious because exam results were highly emphasized. This made them fear failure and feel overwhelmed. School management unclear or rigid school policies added stress during online learning. Students struggle to adapt to sudden change and expectations. Parental expectations, high demands from parents push students to perform perfectly. This pressure became mentally exhausting for many. Photo Voice could provide valuable insight into the specific challenge they face, such as isolation. Students felt lonely without face-to-face interactions. Virtual communication couldn't replace real social connection. Increased workload. Online learning came with a heavy load of assignment. This led to stress, lack of sleep, and burnout. Technological barriers, unstable internet, and device problems often interrupted classes. This issue caused frustrations and made learning harder. In the method sections, the researchers used a case study with a phenomenological approach. The participants were 2 female English education students from a private university in West Java. Data were collected through photo voice, focus group discussions, and semi-structured interview. Instrument, as mentioned earlier, photo voice, interview, and focus group discussion were employed to collect data in this study. Trustworthiness in the study was ensured through strategies aligned with Maxwell's 2012 framework for qualitative validity, including triangulation and member checking. Data analysis procedure. The participant narrative gathered through photo voice, interview, and focus group discussion were transcribed and analyzed using a 3-step categories process. First is open coding, 2 is focus coding, and 3 critical incident analysis. The results show 2 major themes. First, the students felt overwhelmed by a high workload and struggled with poor internet connections, which added to their physical and emotional exhaustion. Second, They experience loneliness and social isolation because they spend most of their time studying alone at home. These challenges cause them to feel anxious, tired, and disconnected from their learning environment. These two themes, academic overload and social loneliness, greatly affected the students' emotional well being. The participants expressed feelings of tiredness, anxiety, and sadness when talking about their experience. Through photo voice, the students were able to share their emotion and struggles in a creative way. The combination of photos and personal reflections gave them a chance to communicate their feelings more deeply than through words alone. The discussion showed that online learning during the pandemic created both learning and emotional difficulties for pre-service teachers. The heavy workload of assignment, especially creating videos and other multimedia tasks, made students feel overwhelmed. In addition, unstable internet connection often disrupted their learning activities, causing stress and reducing their motivation to learn. Another point discussed is how online learning reduced social interaction. Students felt isolated because they could not meet classmates or ask teachers for help directly. Through photo voice, the student could express their feelings more openly using photos and reflection. This study suggests that educators should build online learning environments that not only give academic tasks but also support students' mental health and social connections. The conclusion highlights that photo voice help the participation reflect on and communicate their stress experience. The study suggests that online learning design should consider student mental health, social connection, and workload balance. Photo voice also provides to be a useful reflective and emotional tool that can help future research in teacher education. Lastly, this study showed that photo voice is a valuable tool for education research, as it helps uncover the hidden emotional struggle of students, something that often goes unnoticed in traditional academic settings.